Gusto mo ba ng pagbabago sa buhay? Gusto mo ba ma-achieve yung best life for your family? Gusto mo ba makamit ang breakthrough na pinakainasama mo? Do you dream for a freedom na ikaw ang masusunod kung kailan at saan magwo-work? Freedom na ikaw ang masusunod kung magkano ang monthly income na gusto mo. Freedom mag-travel kasama ang family mo. If yes, then this is the most important video na mapapanood mo ngayon. Dahil mamaya, I will share with you a profitable business that can give you the life, freedom, and the income that you want. Pero, wait, hindi po ito yung easy money or quick scheme na walang gagawin pero kikita na. I'm talking about 100% legit income opportunity in a multi-billion global industry na super simple and easy to learn at babalik agad ang kapital worth of products or services and very minimal ang kapital. Mamaya, sasabihin ko sa iyo paano makatulong sa iyo ang automated tools with leverage system na ito para mag-earn ng 6-figure per month, makapag-for good ng mas mabilis at makapag-travel for free sa iba't ibang bansa na kasama ang family. Malalaman mo din paano mo makukopya yung automated tools with leverage system na ginagawa namin na pwede magbigay ng freedom at income na desire mo din. We are partner with Orbis Victos International. This is your chance to be a pioneer in new era of digital protection and empowerment program. This is the vertical integration of empowered consumerism, 18 years of excellence, stability, innovation, and changing people's lives. Because of our proven and tested online platform, our company created more than 25,000 millionaires and multimillionaires from all walks of life. For the past 18 years and counting, nakapag-branch out na din po tayo sa napakadaming bansa like Hong Kong, Singapore, UAE, Europe, and Africa. At magbubukas pa tayo sa napakadaming bansa sa mga susunod na taon. And now, let me share to you kung paano ka magsimula sa digital leverage system business. All you have to do is purchase our income protection package and enjoy this value for money benefits. Number 1, insured ka ng 1 million up to 3 million worth of personal accident coverage. Number 2, may medical reimbursement ka from 200,000 to 600,000 as your emergency fund. Example, na aksidente ka, lahat ng nagastos mo ay pwede maibalik sa'yo. Plus, hospitalization income from 2,000 to 6,000 pesos per day habang nagpapahinga at nagpapagaling sa ospital or kahit nasa bahay ka. And mayroong protection plan para sa loved ones mo, hindi lang ikaw ang protected, kasama din ang buong family mo. At pinakamaganda sa atin is mayroon tayong teamwork kung saan may free trainings, videos, script, and tools we provide and one-on-one coaching. Our company is very stable, liquid, and multi-awarded. That's why we are very confident and proud to be part of this company. And this is value for money benefits. At pwede ka nang magsimula ng negosyo mo for 15,990 only. And now, pag-usapan naman natin ang most exciting part, ang kitaan. You earn by sharing our business. Share mo lang sa mga taong gusto din ng freedom and income. First is retailing. You will earn 1,000 up to 3,000 pesos sa mga digital products na maabil sa iyo like bronze, platinum, and kabayan, and no-quota po ito. This is insurance digital protection products which can cover 500,000 up to 1 million personal accident coverage. And Repat Care para sa mga kababayan nating OFW. This business is lifetime, may 25% up to 50% lifetime discount in all products and services. Second, you will earn 3,000 pesos as direct referral bonus sa lahat ng magjo-join sa'yo. So imagine this, using these automated tools na kung saan si Facebook na ang maghahanap ng qualified client for you at dadagsain ka ng sobrang daming how. And may 10 na nag-join sa'yo, mayroon ka kagad 30,000 pesos doing part-time without leaving your work. You can share this digital business opportunity as many as you can dahil unlimited ang kitaan natin dito. Magkakaroon ka din ng sariling website, may username and password na ikaw mismo ang may control sa business mo. Ito yung magiging secretary like inventory, sales, and encashment. At araw-araw mo mawi-withdraw ang income mo sa Vibo Super App. And proud to be, tayo lang po ang daily payout for the past 18 years and counting. Kung may income ka ngayon sa account mo, bukas ma-incas mo na yan sa Vibo Super App kahit nasa abroad ka man. Para sa mas malaking kitaan, we need to leverage, and the best way to earn is to build your team. Actually, sobrang simpleng-simple lang nito. Dahil mayroon tayong automated tools na kung saan si Facebook na ang maghahanap ng mga qualified na clients for you without leaving your work. And we have leverage system na kung saan you multiply your time and effort sa pamamagitan ng ibang tao. We also have sales bonus. Ang kailangan lang is mag-build ng 2 sales group. For example, may nag-purchase sa Group A at Group B. Magmamatch ang sales points nito at sa bawat 1,200 sales point na papasok sa Group A at Group B, magmamatch yan at kikita ng 1,800 pesos. And unlimited po ito. This is the power of 2 doing the leverage system. Example, every month may 2 mag-register sa'yo. On first month, kikita ka ng 7,800 pesos. In second month, yung 2 nag-register sa'yo, tutulungan at tuturuan din natin kumita kagaya ng kinita mo. At magkakaroon ng 2 referral, doing the automated tools on your second month, kikita ka ng 7,200 pesos. In 6 months, doing the leverage system, doing the power of 2, kikita ng 115,200 pesos. Napakabilis kumita ng malaki dito. At ang maximum income is 28,000 per day or 864,000 per month. At makakasama ka sa mga free travel incentive like Palawan, Boracay, Balisin, at international travel like Hong Kong, South Korea, Japan, Maldives, USA, and Europe. Now, paano ka makapag-attract ng mga inquiries? Let me introduce you automated tools na kung saan si Facebook na maghahanap ng mga qualified na clients para sa'yo without leaving your work. Wala ka din kailangang ipaship na products dahil digital ang products natin. This is a hassle-free business. It's 100% legit. By the way, I am Ricky Castañeda from Calamba, Laguna. I am a former matador. I feel you. Dahil lahat ng mga struggles mo ay naranasan ko din ang mga yan. Yung tipong kahit may sakit ka, kailangang pumayod at pumasok. Yung kahit bumabagyo at bumabaha, no choice. Dahil may pamilya na umaasa sa'yo. Ang goal ko sa video na to ay i-share sa'yo na mayroong pag-asa at may solusyon. Dahil sa automated tools with leverage system, nakatakas ako sa paikot-ikot na cycle ng pagiging employee at ngayon, nai-enjoy na ang freedom. Magkakaroon ka ng lahat ng kailangan mo to start a profitable digital online business. Sakto ito sa iyo kung isa kang employee na gusto ng additional source of income na may bonus opportunity to travel for free. OFW na gusto ng side business to earn extra income na pwedeng gawin kahit saang sulok ng mundo. Existing business owner na gusto ng another profitable business na hindi kailangan ng malaking kapital. At anyone who wants more income and more freedom. Ito ang next na gagawin mo. Step 1, click the button below. Step 2, enter your name and details. Yung ibang nanonood, ang tanong nila, mag-work ba talaga ito? Kikita ba talaga ako? 100% confident ako na mag-work ito sa'yo. Confident ako na magkaka-profit ka in 30 days or less. Basta, susundin mo lahat ng ituturo sa mga trainings. At basta gagamitin mo yung automated tools at mga done-for-you materials na ibibigay namin sa iyo. And I will invite you in my one-on-one video call para bigyan ka ng hands-on coaching to make sure you're properly trained. Imagine, couple of months from now, maganda na ang takbo ng business mo. Anong mararamdaman mo? Kapag na-experience mo din kumita ng 3,000, 5,000, 10,000, or even up to 80,000 profit doing the automated tools with leverage system without leaving your work. Tulad ng mga existing digital business partner namin, anong mararamdaman mo kapag meron ka na ding time freedom at may 100% control ka sa decision and choices na gusto mo? Huwag ka nang mag-imagine dahil ngayon, pwede mong simulan at gawing totoo ang digital business na ito. All you have to do is, Step 1, click the button below. Step 2, enter your name and details. But this offer is not gonna be here forever. We will increase the price very soon. So if you're ready and excited for more income and more freedom, click the button below.